we should start a new chapter, that is democracy and diversity. Remember one thing, this chapter, it is included in your half yearly syllabus, but it is important for the periodical test, but it is not important for the final exam, because this chapter is not included in your final exam, but it is important for the half yearly exam. Remember these things. So already you know the meaning of the democracy. Democracy means that is the government of the people, for the people and the by the people. And that the democracy, what is there? So we just see that each and every economy, that is the each and every nations we see, or in the each and every country we see that there is a diversity. Just like in India, we also see that there is a discrimination of the people. That maybe it is the caste discrimination, maybe it is the religion discrimination is against there, or maybe it is the male female gender discrimination. And also, just like the USA country, the country USA, there is also, we just see that there is a discrimination. Maybe it is the racial discrimination. Okay, so today we have to learn about this. So now today we just read a story about the Mexico Olympics. What happened in the Mexico Olympics? We have to read it. Okay. Just like here, we just see a picture that it is the uh, depict on important landmark in the history of civil rights movement in the United States. So now you have to know about the what is the civil rights movement in the USA. It refers to a set of events and reform movements aimed to abolishing legal racial discrimination against African American, led by Martin Luther King. This movement practiced non-violent methods of civil disobedience against racial discriminatory laws and practice. So it is the African American men, that is, who were just their ancestors goes to from they were went to Africa to America as a slave. Okay, after that they lived there, and also that from there they are known as a African American. They were discriminated very vastly in America. So we have to read about it. And to abolish it, that there is a civil right movement was originated. And civil right movement, it was started by the Martin Luther King, who took the that is the who took the that or maybe it is the that he was just take the just like the in the Mahatma Gandhi, that to rule out whenever our country is ruled out by the British, that the Mahatma Gandhi was just against of it by the non-violence movement. Martin Luther King, it is he was also practiced this one, that is the non-violence movement. The Black Power movement emerged in 1966 and lasted till 1975, which was a more militant anti-racial movement, advocating even violence if necessary to end racism in the US. So nowadays also we just see that there is a African American racial racism. It is also prevalent in America. You just see that there is a some incident is happened. All of you are known from the Facebook or the maybe from the newspaper or the news. You just heard it. That till now there it is exist, but we see the most of the people are against of it. Okay, so we see what happened there. This that is the this represents the ceremony of the 200 meters race in the 1968 Olympics held at Mexico City. The two men standing with clenched fists outraised and heads bowed while the American national anthem was played are the US athletes Tommy Smith and John Carlos. They are African Americans. They had won the gold and bronze medals respectively. They received their medals wearing black socks and no shoes to represent black poverty. With the general gesture, they tried to draw international attention to racial discrimination in the United States. The black browed and raised clenched fists were meant to symbolize black power. The silver medalist, white Australian athlete Peter Norman, wore a human rights badge on his shirt during the ceremony to show his support to the two Americans. Do you think that Carol and Smith should have raised an internal matter of American society in an international forum? Would you say that what they did was political? Why do you think Peter Norman, who was neither black nor American, joined in the gesture of protest? If you were in the Norman's place, what would you do? We see the International Olympic Association held Carlos and Smith guilty of violating the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. Their medals were taken back. Back homes, they were subjected to a lot of criticism. Norman too suffered for the action and was not included in the Australian team for the next Olympic. But their action succeeded in gaining international attention for the civil rights movement in the US. Recently, the St. John's, that is State University of which they were former students, honored them and installed their statue in the university campus. When Norman died in 2006, Smith and Carlos were pallbearers at his funeral. Okay, so we just see there that the racial discrimination is prevalent in each and every country. That we see that there is a racial discrimination or the different types of discrimination prevalent. That the at the first they just that is this is Afro American movement. That the first they are just protest they just use the Olympic, that is the Olympic event for the event as a protest place. Okay, so it is clear to you. Okay, so here also we just see that in our country that the Dalit, that who are not known as the untouchable, that it is a untouchable is a untouchability is nowadays it is a criminal offense, but it is practiced here till now, that they are not getting the proper opportunity, they are exploited mostly, so that there is a problem arises. Okay, so we can also just organize a debate over there, that we see that there is a Dalit also nowadays also, they are uh, just seen that they are exploited by the upper caste people. So it is not, it should not be happen. So this chapter gives you the idea about the democracy. In democracy, there is also the different diversities are arranged, or the different diversities are arises. We have to study it.